Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your server authentication level in Discord. So, this feature is really useful when you want to protect, for example, a server crewmate that you want to host publicly or show publicly, and you want to protect it from any rowdy visitors. So, let's go ahead and go to your server settings. You can do so by clicking the server name at the top left, click on server settings, and we should be able to see our authentication. Here we go. Moderation, safety, setup. So here we have your verification level, and let's give a quick read. Members of the server must meet the following criteria before they can send messages in text channels or initiate a direct message conversation. We recommend setting a verification level for a community server. So if it's not a private server, if it's someplace where anybody can join, this feature is really useful. So let's go ahead and show the levels. Here we have low, must have a verified email on their account. Medium must also be registered on Discord for longer than 5 minutes. High must also be a member of this server for longer than 10 minutes. And highest must have a verified phone on their Discord account. When I make public servers, I usually keep it to low because I haven't had many experiences where there was a sudden influx of, let's say, bots or raiders that messed things up. But if you want to be on the safe side, you can set it to high or highest. So that was how to enable server verification on Discord. I hope you were able to learn something new and something useful, and thank you for watching.